My name is Rishabh Ajare. I am from 17 January batch 2022 and today's date is 10th of May 2022 and today's video topic is HTTP session and this is my original video. So let's see. So first, what is session? So session is a small interval of time. So why we use HTTP session? So for this, HTTP session is used for management of target management and HTTP session. So for this we have to take and we can make we can manage make login page also with the help of this HTTP session, and we can save the data of the user with this HTTP session. So for this first we have to take an example. So there is a server and in the server there are two apps, that is servlets are present, and there is one client. So client want to log in to that login. So then the request will generate, and the request will generate as we know in Java. So servlet, the server will make object and the object will be of HTTP session. So server will make one session, and then in that HTTP session object it will store the ID of that client, and this and so the in this object the ID will be stored, and if the user the session is not expired, that means there are three scenarios in which the session get expired. So in first there is if the browser get closed, there is one scenario, and then next one is invalidate. That means if we are making coding for if we are considering that servlet, how many times the servlet is using, the session will get expired. Or another is last one is there is a time of session expired. So we can give a particular time for expiring the session. So what is the use of making the object? So if client is requesting second time without expiring the session, consider an example. There is a John, and we have given particular ID to that object, to that client. So whenever he requests second time, so we will retrieve, that is retrieve the data, and we will give the same object for the, and then by this we can validate the user. That means the ID will present in URL or cookies. So we can validate the user, and we don't have to make objects every time for that same user. So this is the use of HTTP session. So how we can perform that HTTP session? So there is a HTTP session. It is a interface which is present in Java, in javax dot servlet dot HTTP. So it is present in protocol libraries, and there are two important methods in this. There is a set attribute and get attribute. So we can set the value in that object, HTTP sessions object. There are two values, that is key and value. So key will be present in string, and value can be present in any data type. We can store in a image type also, object, or array list also. So then next one is get attribute. So we have to just simply pass the key, and by this we can get the attribute, that is HTTP the value. Then there are get also, and then last one is remove, uh, remove attribute. So we can remove that attribute. So for performing that methods, so we have to first we have to get the object of HTTP session. So for getting the object, we have two methods. So when go post and go get post and get post method are running. So we have to give two arguments. That is first is HTTP is servlet request and response. So these two arguments. So from a request we can get the object of the session. So then, so by request session, so if we consider, we can pass the true value also, boolean value. So if we are passing the true, then we want to make a new object, and if you are writing false, so we want the old object of that session, that means old session. And but we refer simply do not give any argument, any value. That means it will, if there is no session present, then it will bring you the old session, a new session, and if there is present, so it will bring you the old session. So this is about the HTTP session. So thank you so much.